What's up? It is Monday and I am at BioLife and I'm trying to donate plasma and it didn't work out very well. There's a huge truck coming, but so yeah, my veins are awful and they couldn't get them to work. So I am gonna have to drink more water and come back and just make another appointment and try to do it again. But it's very nice outside. It's not like scorching hot or anything. And I went through my physical and I did, like, my protein was good, my iron was good. I've been training for days because I have, I don't know what it's called. I don't know, iron deficiency. So I took iron and I've been doing it for days and trying to prepare and get everything like all situated. There's people walking by. They're probably like, this weird girl is out here sitting on the curb talking to herself like a weirdo. But that's okay. But yeah, I did attempt. And oh, I just wanted to touch on something else. YouTube is hard. I just want y'all to know that. Like, getting your YouTube account like out there and monetized and views and subscribers and like all that stuff, it is hard. Like, it is like a daytime, not a daytime, but it's like a job. Like, you got to do all this stuff, and I was not expecting that. I was thinking like, oh, let me just shoot some videos and post them up and that's that. But that's not how it works. Like, there's so much more to it that you would never expect. And I've been learning a lot about it. It's crazy. Like, I have to give a shout out to the people that started and are now doing really well, because it is not an easy thing and you have to have a lot of patience. You have to have a lot of time, and it's hard. It's not something you just make videos and post them and that's it. Like, you gotta put work into it. um but yeah, so I'm sitting out here just chilling right now, and we have our first, well, I have my first therapy appointment today at like 3 o'clock, and then Raven has one at 4. And my best friend from church helped me get the house all nice and not look like a disaster. I mean, it wasn't a disaster anyways, but she just helped me straighten things up so it's like in order somewhat, because I'm kind of a messy person, if you can't tell, like, because of my hair, and it is what it is at this point. So it's up, it's out my face. That's how it is. But yeah, so I don't know. I've been having just some rough days lately. Just kind of like, I don't know. I need to pray or something. Y'all send me some prayers, because there's prayer numbers and I need it. I need some positive vibes sent my way, some positive prayers. I have my step study tonight, and I also have the therapy today. And I don't know what's going on with everything else, but yeah, I did try to donate blood, and it was like, nope. My veins were like, no, that's not gonna happen today. Not gonna happen today for you. So I'm just chilling. All right. Well, Jaden said he was gonna take Raven to the scrubs, but I don't know. I tried to call him and he didn't answer, so he's probably still sleeping. Who knows? But anyways, I just wanted to do a little short video, just say hi, all that fun stuff, and yeah, just let y'all know YouTube is not easy. And if you want to start it, you have to have patience. You can't give up when you get frustrated. And find a good mentor. Like, find somebody that will help you, that is sweet and nice, and not just gonna be like, oh, well, you do this and that's that, and then you're done. Like, you gotta find somebody that's gonna, like, I'm kind of slow. I'm not even gonna lie. So I have this person that I talk to a lot, and I ask a lot of questions to, and she's really patient with me, and I appreciate that, because again, I'm like, what are you talking about? Because I do not technology, like computers, the cell phone. Like, my cell phone does all kinds of stuff and I don't even know how to do half of it, because I'm just like, I don't know. I'm old, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. I'm lazy. I don't want to figure it out. It's too complicated. But yeah, there's my update. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
I got you, Mommy. You got this, children. You got this.
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna hit that spider.
You're gonna hit the roof. See? No. I thought you were digging over there for something.
What?
I don't know. You were digging over there.
I'm trying to get it.
I don't think you need a stick.
Why?
Because you don't need to throw it at the spider. What if it falls on you?
I'm gonna be like, ah, ah. Dude, I found something. Broken. What is it?
I don't know. Oh, it looks like coal.
What's cold?
Somebody had a cookout in that thing.
Who's those people?
They're walking.
Hey, what?
Because it's a walking path.
They just said walking.
No, I said walking path.
And they did it.
Okay, well, are you done hitting the spider? Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, we're done hitting the spider.
I want Jaden here. What
No,
is he
because
doing?
you're going to end up hitting yourself with the stick.
Ah! I said, ow, quietly.
There's a gopher tortoise.
I'm trying to hit myself.
Bulldog, right?
Get down from there, you.
Stop!
Megan, quit throwing the crap.
I can't.
You can.
Yes, you can.
Stupid spider.
No.
No.
Now, why you can't hold her
She
down.
is holding my drink for me. My arms hurt. No, my arms hurt.
So what am I supposed to do? Sit here
You just hold drinks. I don't know. Oh, gee, we ended up back in the forest.
Please don't kill me.
Hey, there's a tree. What?
What?
Hey, somebody did chop it down.
It's gonna like. Let me hold this really quick. Then
So, what?
what I'm gonna do.
You can't climb the tree. Look, Jaden's getting away. You better be careful.
Ow.
I don't want to sit in the ER for 100 hours.
Can you help me down?
How you gonna get down? You gotta climb. Better figure out how you gonna get down. See? You can do it.
I kinda,
Good job.
Yeah, I'm gonna go run up to him.
Go scare Jaden. Listen, do you hear it?
It's a woodpecker.
Where is it?
Why would I find a tree somewhere?
Did you hear that? That was a woodpecker. No, he's like going like tapping. Did you hear him?
What do you want?
Marco! 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 Marco!
Why is it that they always end up so far ahead of me? Some kind of conspiracy here. Every time. I'm like a million feet back. What if that was the biggest poison ivy bush in this forest that you're climbing on right now?
This is not a poison ivy bush.
What if it was?
Is it crazy?
Again, I'm still way back here.
And I can also do this. Ouchie, ouchie.
Is he right there?
Yeah,
Get him.
I'll try. I need mother to be missy.
Did he run? Huh?
He's right there, but I can't get him. My arms are too short. My arms are too short.
I don't see him. So bright.
He's running this way. He's moving.
Oh, is he?
Coming out?
Kinda.
Maybe if we wait.
Yeah, maybe if we just like wait a minute. Pop out.
When I did get some down.
In Florida, we go in holes. I feel like the old turtle.
No idea.
Do you know your speech?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
What they got in the sun. You know, you can't look up out the sun. Jesus, what is it? They got in the trigger like the girl. They said, nothing like you know, one night. Science studies we had that. And God made the stars also. Science studies we had the sun, the first one.
Good job. You know your whole speech. You got to practice the Psalms too.
I'm graduating in 4 days.
Yeah, her graduation's the 21st. I think Raven fell out. She stopped moving. What are we going to do? Why is she smiling? I don't think she's dead. I think she's just tricking us. All right, I'm running. Bye.
This way.
Huh?
Go behind him and make him come this way.
Oh, it's right there. Oh, he's running back there. I don't think he's going to come to that.
I want to pet him.
He,
This way, guys.
he ran. Here, come back this way. See if he'll come back.
He's running even more.
He's coming back. Oh, God, he's coming back. Back up some. No, back up this way. He's going to climb the tree. And then you're going to get stuck in the tree by an armadillo. Is he coming back? He was coming back for a minute. She scared him. No.